Could your next laptop fit in your pocket? Samsung's Z Fold may be the boldest step yet, but is it genius or just another tech gimmick? Let's break it down. In this video, we're diving deep into the Samsung Z Fold, the device that promises to replace your tablet, your phone, and maybe even your laptop. The Z Fold is Samsung's first Trifold concept, and based on images that Android Authority discovered in One UI 8, it looks like it's coming fast. It's a device that folds twice into 3 equal panels. When fully opened, it transforms into a full 10-inch tablet-sized screen according to Ross Young. Unlike Huawei's Trifold, which folds into an accordion-style S shape, the Z Fold will fold more like, well, a G. And this has been confirmed via One UI 8. One thing to note is that the folding is done in a specific manner, and it looks like you will get a warning on the screen if you try to fold it the wrong way. So let's talk about the screen. The outer display is going to be 6.5 inches like the Fold 7 Ultra, and when unfolded you're looking at 10 inches open. That's a full-size tablet and a pocket-sized device. That's pretty impressive. The camera is going to be the same as the Fold 7 Ultra, so you're going to be getting a 200 megapixel ultra-wide, 200 megapixel main, and 3 times telephoto. But here's the question, can it actually replace a laptop? Well, one thing is going to be how well you can hold the device and work on it. And given how other tablets have fared in the marketplace, is this something that users even want, except for a few niche users? Apple's iPad mini is close to the same size in comparison, and it has a pretty strong following. And with iPad OS 26, some massive multitasking was brought to that little guy. If Samsung can deliver with a strong multitasking environment, you might just have something here that can totally change the game. There's always a cost to innovation, and here's what might hold the Z Fold back from being a true laptop killer. Huawei's Trifold weighs 298 grams, and it is 12 millimeters thick when folded. That's not too bad, actually. But it costs near $3,000, and you can expect that Samsung isn't going to be too far off that mark. And we still don't know what kind of battery Samsung is planning to incorporate in this device. Plus, with the specific folding process, are we going to see some damaged devices right out of the gate? It's hard to say, but given the human condition, I'd say there might be a few reports at the very least. And that's one expensive paperweight should you break it. And will the hinges hold up? Samsung is pretty good with their hinge design right now, so I don't expect too much trouble there. But they need to have some kind of failsafe other than just a warning light on the screen and a vibration you feel if you fold it wrong. So, productivity or gimmick? Final answer, for power users and on-the-go creators, the Z Fold has real potential. But for most people, it's probably a glimpse of the future, not the present. Plus, does Samsung really want to cannibalize their Z Fold market share? I don't think so, and I don't think the Z Fold will bring quite the same mass appeal as the Z Fold. Still, I really like that they're trying something like this, and the future does look bright for foldables. Would you ditch your laptop for this? Comment below. And if you want more first looks like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Well, that's it for now, folks. We'll see you next go round.